The mountains feel endless today. Everything looks softer in the rain.
I almost missed the last tram. The air smells like pine
You can
trees.
have the warmer seat.
Thank you, it's freezing outside.
This tea tastes comforting.
The rain makes everything peaceful.
I've never seen clouds this close.
It feels like floating.
You draw the mountains beautifully.
I don't want to forget this view.
It almost feels unreal. Like we're inside a dream.
The station feels different at night. Quieter, but warmer somehow. It really is a peaceful evening to be walking through the fog together.
The view
like
is
this.
beautiful, isn't it?
It is so peaceful.
I'm glad
The
we came.
mountains will remember us.
And we'll remember this journey.